This animation illustrates Davco's patented Seeing is Believing in EleMax technologies. The EleMax technology extends fuel filter life and has exceptional water separation capability. Seeing is Believing minimizes diagnostic time since you can see 1. The amount of filter media that has been used. 2. Contaminated low-quality fuel. 3. Clouded fuel and 4. Entrained air bubbles, if there are system leaks. The Davco Seeing is Believing clear cover allows you to see when not to change the filter. The patented EleMax filter incorporates 3 layers of media. The EleMax technology extends filter life, enhances filter performance and strips emulsified water from the fuel. The patented EleMax filter also includes a calibrated vapor pressure relief valve and a half-wrap. Davco fuel processors are designed for the vacuum, or suction, side of the fuel system. The engine lift pump pulls fuel from the fuel tank to the fuel processor inlet, into the body and up to the filter media. Water and large contaminants will fall to the bottom of the fuel processor body where they can be drained away. Fuel passing through the media is filtered and stripped of emulsified water. The filtered fuel then flows to the engine lift pump and through the injection system. Only a portion of the filter media is used. The fuel vapor and movement of fuel during engine operation creates vapor pressure within the clear cover. Note that the shaded area shown above the fuel level is not air. It is a vacuum and fuel vapor. Any air that is introduced through the vent cap during the priming procedure is released during the initial phase of filtration. Fuel level in the clear cover will vary depending on the amount of restriction created from the fuel hose size, length of fuel hoses, mounting height, fittings, filter micron size, etc. As the media filters the fuel, it begins to load up with contaminants. Fuel will begin to rise above the contaminated filter media, i.e., seeking the path of least resistance. This process minimizes overall fuel system restriction. Vapor and fuel cannot pass through the non-porous half-wrap material. When the fuel level reaches the bottom of the half-wrap, vapor pressure begins to increase between the outside of the non-porous half-wrap and the clear cover. The fuel continues to flow through the media inside the half-wrap. However, the fuel level outside the half-wrap cannot rise because of the vapor pressure within the clear cover. When the filter restriction reaches an engineered calibrated pressure, the vapor pressure relief valve opens momentarily. This filtering process continues until the fuel level inside the half-wrap reaches the top of the filter. The cycle continues until the fuel level is at the top of the filter in the clear cover. At this point, the EleMax filter should be changed. There is a margin of safety designed into the EleMax filter since most diesel engines have a maximum allowable fuel restriction specification above the calibrated relief valve pressure. Note: as a further safeguard, any fuel passing through the vapor pressure relief valve is filtered by a disc of filter media. In summary, the patented EleMax filter technology provides the best fuel filter life and fuel system protection in the industry. Seeing is Believing technology provides a clear and simple indication of when to change the fuel filter and when not to change the filter. Both technologies combine reduced maintenance cost and downtime, as well as provide best-in-class fuel system protection from contaminants in water and fuel. Bottom line, Davco fuel processors provide added insurance to protect the sophisticated engine fuel systems in the market today. To learn more, visit www.davco.com.